So I purchased these CHITA Barstool chairs and I just love them. They are the perfect height, as you can see here, for my kitchen island. I'm gonna give you a close-up view here because I want you to see the quality. This is the faux leather and it's really nice and plush here. You can see the seams, and then underneath we have some quality wood. These were actually very simple to build. They took about 10 minutes each or so 20 minutes for the pair. Some of the other great features I love about them is they swivel all the way around. You got the high backs here, so you are always comfortable. You can lean back, you can sit forward. I really like these chairs. Not only are they comfortable, they swivel, they are durable, and they look really nice. I would highly recommend these chairs if you're looking for the same solution. Some nice countertop chairs with high backs that swivel, are quality, durable, and easy to assemble. Highly recommend these CHITA brand chairs.